Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated vehicles of the year, the 2025 electric RV camper. This isn't just another camper, it's a complete reimagining of how we travel, combining sustainability, comfort, and advanced technology into one versatile package. From the outside, the 2025 electric RV camper makes a bold statement. Its exterior design is sleek and aerodynamic, with clean lines and a futuristic silhouette that helps maximize efficiency on the road. The body panels are crafted from lightweight yet durable materials, finished with a matte coating that reduces glare and adds a premium look. Stepping inside, the interior feels more like a modern tiny home than a camper. The living space is designed with modular functionality, allowing you to switch between lounge, dining, and sleeping modes seamlessly. A fold-out sofa converts into a queen-sized bed, while the kitchenette includes an induction cooktop, a deep sink, and a compact fridge, all powered by the onboard battery system. Under the hood, the 2025 electric RV camper is powered by a 120 kWh battery pack paired with dual electric motors. This setup delivers smooth acceleration, all-wheel drive capability, and a driving range of up to 400 kilometers on a single charge. With fast charging capability, you can recharge up to 80% in just under an hour at compatible stations. Beyond performance, the camper features an advanced energy management system. Solar panels on the roof contribute to the battery supply, keeping essential systems like refrigeration, lighting, and climate control running even when you're off-grid. The system also powers USB ports, wireless charging pads, and a 110V outlet, making it easy to stay connected or work remotely while traveling. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 electric RV camper starts at around $68,000 for the standard model, which already includes the solar array and basic living amenities. Mid-tier models with extended range batteries and upgraded interiors push closer to $80,000, while the top-tier luxury trim with premium finishes, expanded solar capacity, and advanced automation tops out around $95,000. Safety is another area where this electric RV stands out. It comes equipped with advanced driver assist features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision mitigation. A 360-degree camera system provides visibility all around the